Yeah, but you didn't hear that? It sounded like someone was throwing. But it might have came out of the tree too. We obviously can't rule that out. Ooh. You don't hear that? Hell nah. You didn't hear the running up on us? You didn't hear that? Ooh, that gave me the chills. I just did that thermal in the pitch black, but we keep hearing footsteps, and I've been saying that. I'm pretty sure Julia heard it earlier, but I know 100% I heard it running into the building. And now Dustin heard it. They said they heard it.
Right here, back and forth.
What is happening, everybody? Tonight, we're coming back to Aldridge Sawmill tonight. We're gonna be not as much. I'm doing more. I want to focus on the paranormal side of this location. I know we were doing a little bit of research today when we actually had some service. There is an old cemetery out here and stuff like that for the abandoned town, I guess you would say, that was out for this location. So we're going to focus a little more on the paranormal side, see what we can capture. I got Spirit Talker Watch today. We're going to try that out for the first time. I know I mentioned it a long time ago or my last video I did a couple months back. And we're just kind of getting into the location, and we're going to see kind of what happens. See if we get anything going out here. I'll show you a little bit really of what we got going on. Let's see. Turn on some more light and stuff for y'all, just so y'all can see. A lot of the area, just so y'all can see. It's pretty, like we said before, it'd be nice if we'd be able to find that cemetery, but at this point in time, I highly doubt we'd be able to find anything like that. We're gonna try to hit up some of these extra trails and stuff. And hold on, guys. But I'm gonna hit up a lot of these trails. I know we said we got a lot of these extra places, so yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Like I said, remember, let me get back into my filming stage, and we should be a little more talkative and a little more information. And maybe whenever I get back to the house, I'll get a little more service so I can tell you all a little bit more. Maybe post some pictures of the old town and the old logging that they used to do out here. But once we get up here, we'll jump back into it. So let's do it. All right, guys, I guess we got a couple things running, and we got like a grid thing that shows, I guess, grids, and then you got I totally forgot the name of these.
I don't even know. The grid says where, like, you could see a walker. It's a...
Then what are these? I forgot what these are. I don't know.
Squares.
Oh, the REM pods. Let's see if any of these got going. I mean, from what I've noticed, I mean, I haven't seen nothing but shoot. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even really know how to run these things.
Just the REM pods. I wish I could test the antenna. Whoever is here, I guess you're not here. If you do exist, show us.
If y'all got anything to say as well, speak to us. If you make it audible, to our microphones, anything would be cool. I know they were talking about a lady that died out here. I guess from a sawmill accident. I'm assuming. I know they were saying something about a sawmill. I guess she got in an accident with a sawmill. And I mean, this place, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's been around since the early 1900s, if I'm not mistaken. So I mean, it used to be a little town out here, like I was saying earlier, an old cemetery. I don't know. I know Dan and Mikey went walking around. It's crazy as you hear them bullfrogs and they sound just like people. You all right?
Yeah.
Did you hear something?
No, I was just getting down. I hear. You hear that?
Yeah, is that Mikey and them? No? Dustin?
I don't think so. They don't have any equipment that sound like that. It went away.
I heard jingling, but I don't know if that was you or not.
No.
Like literally, like right behind you.
No. That's what I heard the noise. Then it stopped when I came this way. There's movement to the left side. Right there where I was coming from.
Yeah, I heard. I did hear it from there.
From this way.
If any of the spirits want to use our energy without having to touch us, go for it.
Temperature is 81.2.
Alright, guys.
It's dropping.
I'm going to turn on this. Let me turn this on. Let's see what we get off of it. I haven't used it. I mean, I've used it here and there. I know I've seen a few other people use it. But I guess we can just turn it on and just start get to asking questions. The cool thing about this is it doesn't use like cell phone, anything like that. It's not, nobody can say it's AI. It's literally just ran off of this box. I don't know, you kind of have to go onto there and see what they say about how it actually gathers its words, if it's using energy, I don't know. I'm always going to be a little skeptical about these things, but I mean, you never know. Sometimes it's really accurate. So this one for sure is using zero cellular device. It's just literally the watch. I'm sure y'all have seen it on a couple other people. I don't know. I tried out. I got it, picked it up. I meant to use it a while back. I don't know. I mean, I'm just going to leave it running. It talks to you and everything. There's a couple things like yes, no, like we want to do. Let's see, you got like a yes, no, or you can do a grid of yes, no, maybe pass. Now you can use the emoji, but I have yet to have it ever do anything for me, even whenever I'm just like sitting around. So I don't know what it actually does, so I don't know. I just been using mainly the spirit talker. Was that them who called out? You didn't hear a full, like, somebody yell? If y'all heard that, let me know. I heard a guy's voice. Mm-hmm.
They're in the backpack where you can't hear them.
I could have sworn they yelled out just now. Let's see. Dustin, you said didn't leave anything for recording all of this stuff?
No, he said he was going to leave.
I thought he did too. I thought he said he was going to leave something.
I think he thought Mikey was going to be here because he has a camera as well. Nothing on this thing yet.
I don't know. You all right with me walking around the building?
Yeah.
You want to walk with me?
I'll go.
Okay.
I'll take this with me so I can pick up temperature.
Cool. Yeah, guys, like I said, we're going to focus a little more on paranormal. I mean, obviously, we're not going to rule out Bigfoot by any means. Like I say, I'll probably run some more thermal because I really did like the thermal. And I thought it was really cool. And if y'all see anything and off in these bushes that we don't see, all y'all gotta do is let us know. I don't know why, but it feels like it rained out here, doesn't it? It feels a little more mushy.
Yeah, like a little muddy, or maybe it just sprinkled.
If there's any spirits here, you can use this watch.
I feel like I ran a spiderweb.
Use the watch. You can talk to us. If you have anything to say. Y'all were talking a little bit to us in...
Can you state your name? We want to know your name.
A name would be good if we knew it. Ooh, man, it kind of scared me. I forgot. It says, where am I? I don't know if y'all can see it, but...
It says, where am I?
Yeah, where am I? We're at the Aldridge Sawmill. I don't know if you passed away here or if you passed away in the nearby town. You'd almost kind of have to tell us unless you don't remember. I was slashed. You know, honestly, since we've been using it, that's the second time it talked about being slashed or smashed. And the crazy thing is, I mean, it was obviously a sawmill. So, I mean, smashed from maybe logging, slashed, I don't know.
Related to it.
I mean, it's been, man, I don't know, I keep hearing stuff.
Hey guys, we're going to venture back here. You guys have a no-front location to yourselves. We're going to try and find the cemetery back here. If we do, we'll come back.
Okay.
Give us 15 minutes and then we'll come back.
Yeah, that's cool. Y'all want to holler or something like that? Y'all didn't yell a little bit ago?
Oh, I didn't.
Okay, I knew I heard. It sounded like y'all.
It sounded like
We were in that building right there. We didn't yell.
I could have sworn when we were up there in the front before we started walking around, I heard.
Talking loud and it echoed, but we did not yell.
They're trying to get a name.
That's what we were trying to do.
Well, the spirit box said, where am I? And then it says, I was slashed, because we asked how it died and stuff. And
I
it
was confused.
You said it was slashed?
It was slashed, like slashed with a knife or a saw.
It was a saw blade. He died from the saw blade.
Well, I know we got the smashed earlier.
Now sliced.
All right, you guys take this for 15 minutes on your own and we'll be back.
Okay.
All right. Man, that was a long one. When did you arrive?
Just now.
I mean, pretty recently. I would say within the past 30 minutes. When did you arrive here? If you can give us a time frame, that'd be really cool. I don't care about you.
Well, you don't have to.
Yeah, you don't gotta like us, I guess.
I want to know your story.
Yeah, we're
What's
just,
your name? What is your name?
yeah, instead of telling us stuff like that, just let us know names. That'd be awesome. I mean, I care about you.
We're interested in your story and to tell it to people.
Hiding in the dark. So you're hiding from us?
Why are you hiding? Oh, that's too many questions.
You hiding out there in the dark? Come and talk into my microphone. If you're not going to talk to us audibly. Is that a bat?
Yeah.
Is
Oh,
it?
no.
It's not. I thought it
went
was.
by at the window over there. I seen a bird or a bat.
Yeah, there was quite a few bats out here.
We're trying to get your name so we can tell your family that you're here, so they come visit you.
Let's see. Oh. Good? Is that what you said?
Yeah. Well, can you give us a name?
Oh, it said head. What's crazy is you were walking through there. Like it was telling you to watch your head?
Uh-huh.
Maybe?
Maybe.
Like I said, I find this
think it's accurate.
watch to be more accurate than, you know, I didn't want back here last time. I find this watch to be more accurate than I do like the phone apps.
Yeah, you're right.
It's just, I just feel like there can be too much.
That's them.
Okay, oh yeah, I hear. Yeah, I hear.
We need to know your name. So we need to let the family know that you're still here. Let your boyfriend know. Your husband.
Well, that's a good question. Are you the girl that passed away out here? Or are you somebody else, a worker, and somebody lived in the town that they built around here? You said you're in the dark, so... Now, I wouldn't mind walking down that path. You want to go first or you want me to go first?
You go first.
Okay.
You have the light. I'm just shining behind me, so... just in case. There can never be two.
I know I'm not paying attention. That's half my problem. I wouldn't mind. I wish you can go to that lake. Man, we were looking at old pictures and it seems like there was a lot more stuff here.
Yeah, a lot of it is gone.
Man, that was a long one. All right, let's see. It says, I'm stuck with you. I'm stuck with your thoughts. God dang, that's crazy.
What did she say?
It said, I'm stuck with your thoughts. Concentrate.
Oh, because she automatically thinks we're pulling up stuff out of our heads about her story.
Yeah, that. Usually on spirit boxes, you don't get too many of like words that kind of go together.
It's active here. I'm sorry that happened to you.
Would it be better if we looked at you on the thermal? Would you be able to show yourself on the thermal camera? So I can get rid of all these lights and we can have a little bit of light. Let's see.
Dustin's footsteps.
Yeah, but you didn't hear that? It sounded like something was thrown. But it might have came out of the tree too. We always can't rule that out. Ooh. You are free? I'd assume so. I would hope so. Why wouldn't I be free? I'll work they must have done some work out of here.
Somebody left it.
What was that? In the caves? That one's a little more random, maybe, no? I mean, there are aquifer springs at the campsite up the road.
Didn't know there was caves.
And look at these ants.
Big ants.
Yeah, they are. Dude, get off me. Man, that bug's insane on me. It says... Oh, bladesmith? That's crazy with the sawmill.
Yes.
I mean, are you the bladesmith? Did you pass away from your blade? Testing your blades? Talk to us audibly. I'd prefer you to audibly talk to me.
Yeah, she's not showing up on these devices. Come light up the device I have.
You don't hear that? Hell nah. You didn't hear the running up on us?
I heard
You didn't hear that? Oh, that gave me the chills.
I heard something, but I didn't know what it was.
That was. It sounded like. You didn't hear that?
I just got the chills really bad.
It said it's not me.
Oh, shoot.
Swear to you. Oh man, this thing's
Yeah,
kind of making me jump a little
it
bit.
said something else.
It said we're here, and it said it's not me when I was saying we heard those footsteps.
Okay,
And then it
so
said
there's more than one of you here.
I just had the biggest chills.
I'm sweaty, but I'm kind of cold at the same time.
I heard footsteps running up, and I had the camera pointed that way. I know y'all had to catch it on audio. And then, right whenever I said that, it said, it's not me. And then it said, we're here.
How many are you?
That creeped me out. I heard. Alright guys, I'm going to switch over to the thermal, and I'm going to face it out that way, because I 100% heard footsteps running towards us. At least that I can see in the dark. I'm going to be doing white cold, red hot. So let me switch over to that, and let's see what we can do. I don't know, that was pretty scary. Oh man, I don't know if you see that. The red on the box, it's hot.
Oh, shoot.
I don't know if that's the box where I'm about to check on it. That scared me just now. Don't start worshiping stuff here. I'm fine with all that.
No, we're not doing that here like everybody else.
Yeah, I know they got pentagrams. Y'all can't see it on the thermal, but
We don't do that.
yeah, I'm 100% fine on that. I'm going to walk in the dark a little bit. You can come with me if you want, with the light.
With the light? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're going to trip on something.
Yeah, look,
Facing
watch.
down, though.
I usually, watch, I can get my little light. Oh, you know what? There we go. Sorry, guys. If y'all see anything hot out here, I don't know. Yeah, I see that was the box. Okay. Kind of scared me. Like I said, guys, red hot. Violet, was that your name? Was that the girl that passed away out here?
That's a pretty name.
I want to know what those footsteps were. I 100% heard it.
Feel the cool breeze.
Are you a little further out this way?
Violet. Footsteps right here. Right here.
Yeah,
Look. It went off. My thing went off.
Oh, your
For a little
EMF?
bit, yes, the EMF.
I don't know
went
if you
all
have
the way
to see
to-
EMF, but
It went all the way to red and went back down when I said violet. But that was a long sentence.
there's something right there. I'm looking at it. I don't know what it is.
Come touch my device again. That's the first time I ever went
Let's
off.
see what this says. I'm stuck with you. I'm stuck with your thoughts. There it goes again.
So anything we assume happened to you then?
Guys, I don't know. It keeps talking about being stuck with my thoughts. I don't know. It's kind of
You made my
creepy.
device- That was big time, all the way to red.
Yeah, and there should be no power out here.
Yeah, no. Other than the shot.
I know y'all got to hear that. There are people out there firing guns.
Come on, Violet. I hear the bullfrog.
Yeah.
You touched it all the way to red.
And this thing is going.
Yeah, well, it's active.
Faithfulness. What are you faithful to? I mean, if that's the case, what are you faithful?
Faithful to the mill?
Look, we're standing back from the mill right now. Show yourself. Cold spot. Hot spot if you produce hot.
Touch my device again. That was cool.
What light is that in there?
Huh?
Is that my light?
Yeah, that's your light.
Did I leave it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Violet, you lit it up when I said your name.
I don't. There's multiple hot spots in there that. Can you read what it said?
We're up. If you're up, come light the devices.
Oh no, it said John's.
Oh, John.
Or Jones. Indiana Jones? I'll affect the lights. Okay. Turn off my light right now. Super easy. I can still see you if I have
Well,
to.
are you talking about this light I'm holding? Did you affect this
Oh,
light?
yeah, the EMF.
Yeah, because when I said violet, it went all the way to red. And it was just instant. Come on, touch my device again. That was interesting. I get excited.
If y'all see any of this, I don't know. Y'all are going to have to point it out. I'm looking on my screen from my phone, so y'all aren't going to see the EMF reader and stuff like that. I mean, that's going to be almost next to impossible. But, I mean, just know from what we're telling y'all, it's going off. This watch, surprisingly, for what it is, it's working pretty good. If I don't have nothing pull back up here in a second, I'm going to switch back to the main camera. And we'll go off of that. I was just hoping, this watch told us it's in the dark, so I figured maybe we can get a cold signature from the dark, but.
I know you can slide it up again, because I don't have any cell phones on me or anything electric.
It's wicked out here, guys.
I want you to do it again. Right there, right here, right here. It's going off.
Oh, yeah. Y'all can't see it, but it's going. No, yeah, it's.
Oh. Whistle. Oh.
Okay.
Hey, we're getting activity over here. We got a name.
All right, guys. All right, guys. Me and Jess are going to go off this way. Julie and Mike are going to go the other way. And I'm going to go check out this building that they had out here that they said that they saw. They saw, which we've seen in older pictures, that it was a warehouse-looking place. Let's see if we can find anything or hear anything out that way. I want to check it out. So they said they saw a copperhead. We've already encountered them this weekend. Just walk back this way. I guess I'll film a little bit going back there, and then if I have to, I'll just turn back on the mic, turn it on. You get back there, Dustin?
Yeah, I'm trying to find my night vision. I smell urine.
Yeah, well, I smelt it earlier
Oh, it's strong.
when we came this way.
Because Dan said that's what they put off. Wow.
Is it more skunk ape out here, if that's the case?
Skunk ape, probably.
Well, I know I said it earlier. Right when we got about here, it smelled like dog shit. And it was crazy. Julie went through there, and right when she ducked, and the spirit talker said, your head, like trying to warn her for her head or something like that. If y'all see any of these dark woods, people, y'all gotta let us know. I mean, we're kind of trying to pay attention to the camera, so we make sure we catch it for y'all as well.
I got the chills, probably a 7 out of 10 on that. And it's like 80 degrees out here, but I am sweating like a dickens.
Yeah, that's the biggest issue. It's pretty hot. Keep going up this way, right?
All the way to the peak. Just keep following the path, yes, sir. I wanted to look for that cemetery. So this is where we found the copperhead that is in the clearing to your left.
I just heard something right there, but it might be. Yeah, I want to watch out big time. That's what I worry about is them damn snakes. If you're off in these woods, make a sound. Let us know. Yeah, guys, like I said, we got to watch out for these snakes. So I'm sure we'll see one eventually at some point. Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah, you see right there to the right.
Does he go far back? Oh, yeah.
It goes back there.
Hell yeah, it does. I don't know if y'all can see
Between
that.
the pillars.
That's pretty cool. Man, this is prime snake kid territory.
You already know, dude.
I'm not even worried about the spirits. I'm worried about snakes. Living to tell the tale. Only good thing is we brought the RV to back here today.
Yeah, we can go hide out in the RV.
Wait
for Bigfoot to shake it.
Yeah, I know. It was like Mikey today wanted to jump off that thing, off that cliff. And he's like, oh, let's go do it. Come on. I was like, I'm good. I'm not too worried about it.
I mean, I wanted to go with y'all, but my shit was hurting.
Well, we get there and he's like, why don't you jump off first? And then I'll do it. Look at that. Look, that's shaking. Did you touch that at all?
What?
That line?
What line?
Maybe that stick? Right there, where my flashlight is. It stopped shaking. If there's any spirits connected to this place, can you make yourself known? Talk to us. Scream, ah! You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the toads or is that...
No, that's something different over here to the left in the distance.
Man, that almost sounds like full-blown, like talking.
Hello?
And it stopped you. You know what I mean? It's not doing it no more. Look at this old beat up ass tree, people. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the old warehouse that we seen in those old pictures. But I mean, this may be a platform, you know what I mean? And the existing ground was demolished. I would almost think that these are like platforms. I heard a bang. But like I said, I don't know too much of the history.
I still don't either, and I've been out there numerous times.
Yeah, I'll have to do a little more research on it. Yeah. You know, it's just weird. You would think all this broke down over time. Where's it at?
Right. What did they do with it?
I mean, there's other pathways, but I'm not taking them, that's for sure. Plus, y'all gotta excuse me too, guys, because I have not slept. Nothing. Plus, I got, like a 6-hour drive tomorrow. So I'm trying to bust all these out, get them pushed out for y'all, so I can kind of get the channel back rolling and getting some content for y'all. Now that I'm with Dustin, Mikey, and Julie, shoot, I mean, we could probably knock them out pretty quick. Get as much stuff for y'all quality-wise. Y'all know me, I'd put anything out. And
we followed it all the way down there, but it dead ends. There's nothing out there past that tree.
like Dustin said, I'll leave their channel, Vans and Ghosts and stuff. And y'all definitely go back. Like I was telling y'all in the last video. Compare, contrast, and that's kind of the idea I like. Man, I just want to know how many more structures out here that we just don't know about. And I guarantee, because I mean, if there was sawmill logging, I guarantee there was old habitations out here, if you per se.
The whole town, dude. The whole ass town.
Man, guys, like I said, if y'all see anything in these woods that we don't see, I want y'all to comment. Leave a comment. I don't even care anymore. I just want y'all to let me know, because I know y'all see more than we do. Yeah, it's kind of gotten a little quiet from earlier. It's just that back building back here. It's quieted down quite a bit.
Yeah, current time. What is the current time? 1:28 a.m.
Be cool just to leave this sitting here, right, guys?
There's the bats right there. I just saw them.
There's a spirit in here. Talk to me. Y'all were giving me pretty good content on the watch. You know, speaking and speaking and speaking. Said you didn't like me. You hated me. Yeah, it did tell me it hated me.
Nice. For what reason?
I don't know. We were being nice to it and everything, and it just said it hated me. So I was like, okay, well, I like you. I mean, I don't want to antagonize nothing. I don't want nothing following me home either.
I only antagonize when I'm by myself. I don't do it in a group. But again, I'm part of the fuck around and find out for you, so.
I hear talking behind us. Hold on. I hear them behind us. I hear them over there. Is that Julie?
That's Julie.
I heard something back here, but it might have been echoing though too, so it might have just caught me in the back behind. I'm gonna walk quiet, guys, so y'all can, I'm not gonna say nothing. Come and speak to the microphone. Use my energy to talk. I want to hear it audibly though. I've been to several locations around Texas and the country, and I've heard it audibly several times, so I know you're able to do it. We got enough equipment here you can drain if you got to. There should be no reason why you can't talk to me, and if you can't do it audibly at least, speak to the microphone. I guess we can meet back up with them and see what they got.
Yeah, it's been about 15 minutes ago. Fuck it. I'm fine tonight, dude. I'm telling you.
Now?
Yeah. Can you show yourself? Sorry guys, I wasn't recording, but we heard something loud.
The other thermal one was
Mikey hears something right here. I kind of hear it behind the building. I don't know if y'all can see them damn bats flying around.
Yeah, there it goes. They're inside the building.
Come on now, I start recording and you stop making noises? Peek your head around that corner right now. Scare the dog shit out of me. I'm not being mean. I'm asking you to do me a favor.
All I hear is Dustin, Dustin.
No
All right,
lights.
guys. It's literally, you can't see 2 feet in front of your face, and what's crazy is you can't even see the sky. And there's open sky up there. You can barely see it. Looks like a Milky Way almost. You can't see it. I just wanted to show y'all how dark it was real quick. I mean, just imagine being out here by yourself like this. Hold on, I'm gonna show them real quick with my thermal.
Oh, footsteps right here. Whoa, fuck me.
I told you, I heard it. I've been hearing them.
Whoa.
All night long, I've been hearing them.
I heard footsteps right there. You guys are over there still?
Look, guys, y'all can see.
Yeah, I heard it. All right, come out here. The lights off.
Sorry, guys.
Jason wants to get some stuff for his channel, so lights out. No lights at all whatsoever.
Nah. Don't worry, I got the thermal out, guys, so I can see if there's anything. You can turn out the light, I promise you, I got you. If there's anything running up on us, I got it.
I'm talking about snakes.
I would see it with the heat.
Okay.
Yeah, no, there ain't nothing around us. I was just showing them on the camera how dark it is. I mean, I don't know. I guess everybody else can put in their input. I mean, this is darker than a cave. I mean, it's that bad. You wouldn't even know any structures are here. You'd walk into everything. Without that thermal, like as y'all can see, I'm showing y'all in here instead of just recording it, so y'all can see. I mean, that's the only light we got. All right, guys, we're gonna put back on some lights. We keep hearing footsteps. I mean, the crazy thing is I don't see nothing on the thermal. But white is cold, so I mean that doesn't help considering we're looking for red signatures and not white signatures. So, all right, guys, I'll get back to y'all. All right, guys. So, reason why I'm getting back with y'all so quick, I just did that thermal in the pitch black, but we keep hearing footsteps, and I've been saying that. I'm pretty sure Julia heard it earlier, but I know 100% I heard it running into the building. And now Dustin heard it. They said they heard it.
It's right here, back and forth to that tree and back.
It seems like the buildings aren't very active. I think we had more stuff yesterday than today, but it seems like the outer skirts are pretty active. Excuse me, guys. I look horrible right now.
Violet, are you still here? I'm still the guys that you're here by touching the device.
Did you hear him?
Yeah, all I heard from all around that way was just.
All right, at least you heard something this time.
Yep, this is one of the first times besides that first time.
But you know what I do? I still do. I'm pretty good at it might be animals.
Yeah.
But I mean, when I heard it running from literally starting probably about there, and I heard it all the way, and it stopped right there when I called it out.
Yep, it's literally just.
Yeah, 100%. All right, guys, I'll get back with y'all. If they hear anything, I'm gonna let them film a little bit. I'm just gonna experience what they got going on, and I'm gonna be a light guy for a little bit. I kind of want to be a light guy for a little bit. Like I said, they've been filming a lot. I have not. I gotta get back into it, and I'm tired. I'm super sleepy, so I'm sure y'all can see it in my face. All right, guys, this was gonna be it for tonight. This was our paranormal portion of this long little segment that we had. It's been a rough one. Yesterday we had to hike 3 miles in, 3 miles out. And that was rough, and that was our Bigfoot day. We had quite a bit of stuff. You'll see that one. I guess y'all would have already seen that one. But that one was pretty wicked. We had stuff that happened off camera. Heard wooting and hollering. I don't know. I'm still on the fence about Bigfoot and cryptids, but I'm trying to get into it. I want to get more for everybody all around. But I don't know, so make sure y'all keep sticking around. I'm going to have more content for y'all, and yeah, make sure join on.